Hi everybody, welcome back to the Bolt Hole Biker. After what seems like ages, it's only been about 2 weeks, but my work just got so busy in the run up to Christmas that I wasn't able to make a video last week. So anyway, Christmas is done now, so I'm back in the garage and I've got a little project for today, and that is I'm going to change out the clutch in the dirt bike. I'm hoping to get out on this in the next few days, so there's a couple of bits that I want to do. And one of them is getting the clutch changed, because I think the gearbox has just been starting to get a little bit sluggish. Been finding it hard to get into neutral. And when I took it for its MOT, the guy that MOT'd it sort of said, yeah, I think your clutch might be on the way out. So I've got new clutch plates, pressure plates, springs, the whole lot. I'm just going to change out the whole clutch. So stick with me and we'll have a go at this clutch. I'm doing something which I wouldn't normally do, and that is I'm going to be dumping out the oil and then reusing it afterwards, because basically it's new oil in here. I did an oil change just before I took the bike for its MOT, not expecting to be changing this clutch out. So the oil that I'm dumping out is brand new oil. It's literally, I've just ridden to the MOT station and back, that's all. So it's new oil and filters in it, and I'm just going to be putting the oil that's in it back in again. I wouldn't normally do that. T45. T27. T30. Keep the bolts in place so that you know where they come from. And that's it. Pretty basic stuff, just swapping one over for the other. These, the old friction plates are pretty worn, so I'm hoping that it's going to make quite a difference. I decided to leave the existing pressure plate on because, to be honest, it looked a little bit better quality than this one, and it looked absolutely pristine, so there was no reason to change it over. So I changed the springs, and I changed all the plates. The springs definitely look like they've seen better days. I mean, they're still springy, but I think the main thing is that these friction plates were a bit worn. So hopefully that'll make a big difference. Last thing I'm going to do, but I'm not going to do it until I start the bike up outside the garage, is I'm going to get the bike up to temperature just on idle and check the oil level and adjust it as required before I ride it. And that's it basically. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it's been useful. If it has, then please leave me a like and hit the subscribe button, and tune in for the next video when I'm going to take the subframe off, change out this airbox plastic and redo all the plastics on the bike, including this headlight guard. And it'll be ready then for some graphics, but in the meantime I'm hoping to get out and have a ride on it, because that's the important thing, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.